Hi guys, welcome to Camera Rig Friday. Before we start, please help me to make my work worth the effort. Hit like, subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. That is only pay I'm expecting from you guys. All of that will be appreciated with more exciting videos. Today, real-time camera animation. So how to rig the camera quick. Camera Rig Friday starts now. For today's exercise, we need any scene that we have created before or just our startup cube and camera. Real-time camera animation can extremely speed up our work. It is quite easy to use, but it requires a bit of planning and preparation. I'm going to show you how to use it. Go to View panel, Navigation and Walk Navigation. Use mouse to look around and navigate with WASD. So WASD. Q for down and E up. Set end of the animation at the frame 1500, so we've got enough time to finish the shot. Go to walk navigation again, but this time right click on it to assign a shortcut. For instance, Shift K. Make sure your camera is active, if not, click on it. Press record button for automatic keyframing. Press spacebar for play and quickly Shift K for walk navigation. Start recording camera movement. When ready, press spacebar again to stop recording. As you can see, animation is far away from perfect. It jumps and shakes, you wouldn't want to use it in your video, right? To get that better, we need to do two more operations. Split the screen up and open the graph editor. Go to Key and sample keyframes to fill up the gaps in our record. Now we need to smooth our graphs. Go to View and Smooth keys. Hotkey for it is Alt-O. I had to press that about 100 times, but results are amazing. Mark all the keyframes and move them to start at the frame 1. Then set up the last frame of the animation. Set the render up. Render it out. Thanks guys for watching. As always, please support me with your likes and comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. I really appreciate your support. See you next week guys, take care.